Salam lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maimuna Adewale from mayade.co, where I teach you how to own your modest style through DIY fashion. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 modest and hijab friendly beginner patterns that you'll want to be using right now. Okay, the first pattern I have for you guys is Vogue 9253. I really love this pattern. It is so easy to make up. I have made it before. If I have a picture, I will set it above for you guys to see. The first time I made it, I used a linen mix fabric. I think I used. It was in blue from fabric.com. Absolutely love that dress. Unfortunately, someone else loved it even more and I had to give it away. That was my mom, so I gave it to her, but I'll definitely be making it again. So it only has 4 pieces. Basically, you have the bodice piece, the bodice back piece, the skirt front pieces, and the skirt back pieces. So super easy to put together. It also has an invisible zipper. If you're scared about making invisible zippers, if you're a true beginner, don't be. It is really easy to make. And if you would like me to show you a tutorial making that, I'll be happy to do so. Just comment below and I'll get that tutorial ready for you guys. I'm hoping to make this again, hopefully in a crepe fabric, a really nice lush crepe fabric. Sleeves are kind of 3/4 length, so I'll probably be lengthening the sleeves or maybe adding a sleeve band to it just to make it the length that I want it to be. But I really encourage you guys to pick up this pattern. The next one I have for you guys is Simplicity 8205. These are a pair of elastic waist pant patterns. I haven't made this one up yet. The only reason is that I'm not really into elastic waisted patterns because I feel they're not very flattering on me. But with this pattern, it's not just one elastic band that runs through the waist bands through the waistband piece. It has about 2 elastic pieces, so that I feel that gives it a more flattering shape around the stomach area and makes it sit better on the body. So I'm definitely going to try and make this pattern very soon. I'm hoping to use a lightweight cotton or even a lightweight denim fabric to make up this one. The next one I have is McCall's 0544. This is a kaftan pattern. This is super easy. This is a true beginner's pattern. Basically just you have the front piece and the back piece. That's all you need. No closures, no button closures are needed to make this pattern. It has varying different lengths. You can make it a maxi or you can even just make it into a top. It's very loose and baggy. It is a kaftan, so that's what you will get. I'm really thinking about how this will be so perfect for the summertime. It would just be so useful to wear around the house or even quickly throw on and go to the store. You can lengthen the sleeves. The sleeves are short. You can lengthen the sleeves if you want, or you can just grab one of your long piece sleeve shirts and just wear it underneath it and go without having the trouble of lengthening the sleeves. But I really love this pattern and I can't wait to make it up. The next one I have is Simplicity 9139. This is a perfect hijab and beginner friendly pattern. No closures needed. The sleeves are already long. I don't really need to make any adjustments to the sleeves because that's where I always make my adjustments. The 2 places I always make an adjustment on the pattern are the sleeves and the length. For this one I won't be doing either. It's already a maxi length as well. Love it. And it only has 2 basic pieces that you can make. I can't wait to make this one up again. And the last one I have is Simplicity 9139. Now I just finished recording a tutorial on this pattern and it is so easy to sew up. Highly recommend that you check out the tutorial. The only thing is that this pattern is only designed for knit fabric. But if you're scared of sewing with knit, don't be. In my tutorial, I am showing you how to sew with knit fabric on a normal sewing machine. You do not need to go and purchase another sewing machine or that is specifically made for knits to make this dress. You can easily do it on your own normal sewing machine that you have at home. I'm already getting ready to make it again. Really looking forward to that. And that's it, guys. Those are my 5 top beginner friendly and hijab friendly patterns that I have for you guys. Highly recommend that you pick it up and you can start building your modest wardrobe right now. If you really enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, make sure to comment, like and share, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.